So tukyagenda maaso n'okulaba sako n'okwetegereza wano entebe zo. So kino kifo kya bulambuzi, mulimu ebintu bingi, mulimu ebisolo, mulimu ebimera, mulimu ebinyonyi kugamba. We are still tukyagenda maaso, and right now section gye tulimu ya binyonyi. Mulimu ebinyonyi, olaba crested crane, symbol ya Uganda. Crested crane, bagitata crested crane. So waliwo obulyo obunyonyi buno obukusu. So a lot of species, bad species. We have you can see entulege oba gyewandise zebra. Yes, zebra.
Uganda it's in Kusu. Yes, it's the world's most trafficked bird. Why? It's because of its beauty, the plumage, the feathers, beautiful. And then of course the ability to mimic. It can master and mimic a lot of voices and sound. Now, I know most of you, or some of you, may have a pilot in your house.
Some leave.
Without a license.
Some leave.
Without a family. Yes. It is advisable.
Say some leave. Somebody,
because you provide for family. If you want to have some birds, classified birds for pets, and once you have that family and the trains and skills, then you can have it. So these grey parrots, some of them have been rescued. Somebody taking them out of the country. Waluomo Konge, Yadine parrots 104, 122 actually, from Congo to Uganda. I was planning to sell each parrot at $200. How much was it looking at? So, confiscated right now, languishing somewhere at the beach. At the beach. And we got them. We found some dead, but we have them here. It's criminal because these are endangered birds. It's such a because the law is clear. If you're caught with it or wildlife, the beach. So they are beautiful. They train them and then they mimic. And then we have the Nyonyi Muzinga. It's the peacock. The peacock.
So zina nakati
now the one with dull colors is always the female.
Hey, they're the ugly ones.
Among birds, whatever get you know it's male.
One month,
when the male wants to attract the female, it flashes the tail. It's fully trained. It attracts the female.
Checks the Nash.
This one is clearly this is female. This is female. I think this is up. The male is up there. Yeah, that's the male. That's the male. This is a female.
It's actually beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, we enclose them. And remember, they're exotic animals. They're not native to Africa.
camera has to go back.
A brother has roared. Now that is the sound of a lion. Wow. Wow.
Baby,
Feels beautiful.
this is.
It feels beautiful, like the roar. It feels like the sound. Nona abadde tuwulirangako engeri empologoma gyekaabamu oba gyandise roaring. So etusampulinze right now ekyali oba zikyali bakyaziggadde tebanaba ziggula naye ng'essaawa yonna bwe bazigulira zijja kuba zeetalira waliwo ne wali bwe baaziika ebbiri emu bagiyita kibonge so yafa nga bwe baaliziika naye nga lwakina zikyali munda tubadde tukyalaba ebinyonyi ebyomunsiko.
11 poison. People want and it smell, eh?
Wakuyita kwetega ebirigamba nja kugulira gawuni ebirigamba nja kugulira gawuni ya prim gawuni ya prim nemwogera bubi kano kekame is a dude. That's a dude. Bro. That's a bro. This is a babe. Hey, babe. Hey, unaachana msaji.
Kalo mnyonji wetu.
Ah?
You think they're open?
Wewe.
Wacha wewe.
Nyama.
Rebels, then the White House, so 60s, 70s, you know what happened? Those stories. History, political history. So we started the project then around the 90s, sort of a bigger plan on how to boost our rhino population.
So that was Nakasongola Ziwa. We are doing the rhino sanctuary, and there's a lot of breeding going on. I think could be at the moment we have about 26, if I'm not mistaken.
Over 30. But it lasts for 45 years.
Could be like 26, 27. Here we have two. We brought these two rhinos from Kenya, 2000, beginning of around 2000, 2001.
So they are now 24 years.
Yeah, one could be 24 and another could be 23. Because we got them from Kenya, a ranch, Solilo Ranch in Kenya. And we had people, great people who supported us. We had Sudil, and then we had Sheraton. So one of them is named Sherino, the Sheraton, another is named after Kabira. We know what I mean when you say Kabira. So they've been here. Unfortunately, these guys have failed to give me babies. I don't know whether they're brothers and sisters, but they've failed to give us babies. But they've stood the test of time. They poach these guys because they want them. That home is what makes them special.
Medicinal, witchcraft, whatever.
So the guys and some people in Asia, most of people think that horn, once you crush it and mix a lot of stuff, you have medicinal value. There's a lot of medicinal value, aphrodisiac, manigate saja, a lot of stories when you crush that horn. But remember, once you take that horn, it will not have another. I was reading some studies, I think last year, and they were saying a kilo of rhino horn is more expensive than a kilo of gold on the black market. Now the forces of demand and supply, guys who did some economics, scarcity, because this is life and death. When kukwatira, you know what happens. If a ranger sees you, chances of seeing your relatives are minimal. So it means you have to kill this animal. So I said, leave the horns too, the rhino. It's called the Enkura in Uganda, and I think it's second largest
After the elephant. How does it look like when it is 45? Because Uganda has 24, it looks like.
But it's a southern rhino species. But we hope to introduce some in, I'm told, West Nile. Because they used to be there back in the day.
So these only do dry grass? No.
We give them hay, the grass. Sometimes we give them pellets. Mix some pellets and give them. So we also give them, they enjoy, and they stay in that holding straight up. That's where they stay. Then this whole space is theirs, they graze. So we ensure that our colleagues in horticulture plant grass. So as they're feeding on this grass, the other grass is growing. So we keep switching and manage. That's how we manage. Why they're called Southern White Rhinos? It was just somebody misheard or wrong perception. The South African word was Southern white. You know the Africans in South Africa, the wide lips. When you look at their lips, they are wide. Abantu baffe nagamba the Southern White Rhinos. Let's go.
In case of Longoja and Lunguja.
Exactly.
After these ones,
Sam. So the next time you come, you're going to find a lot of birds flying around the meadow. Understand? Yeah. So we'll have different species of birds. It's wetland.
The other one enjoying the
Where is it?